Younghoe Koo is a South Korean American professional football placekicker for the New York Giants of the National Football League. He is known for his ability to successfully execute onside kicks. He was born on August 3, 1994 in Seoul, South Korea and moved to the United States at age 12. Koo played college football at Georgia Southern University, where he was a standout kicker and a finalist for the Lou Groza Award in 2016. He left college holding a school record with an 88.6% field goal conversion rate. On September 23, 2025, Koo signed with the New York Giants practice squad. On week 10 at November 9, 2025, Koo made his first start for the Giants due to an injury to kicker Graham Jano. Koo was perfect in his Giants debut, making 2 field goals and 2 extra points. In week 13, December 1 against the New England Patriots at Gillette Stadium, Koo became the only kicker to miss the ball while attempting to kick the ball, getting his foot stuck in the turf. Koo joined the Atlanta Legends of the Upstart Alliance of American Football AAF in 2019. He made history by scoring the league's first points with a 35-yard field goal and converted all his kicks until the AAF suspended operations indefinitely. This performance earned him a second chance in the NFL, signing with the Atlanta Falcons practice squad in 2020. Koo's resurgence was remarkable. In 2020, he went 37 for 39 on field goals, led the NFL in scoring, and earned his first Pro Bowl selection. He became a reliable fixture for the Falcons, signing contract extension and ranking 17th on the NFL's all-time field goal percentage leaderboard. In March 2024, after 8 seasons with Atlanta, Koo signed a 3-year, $13.5 million contract with the New York Giants, where he continues to play as of 2025. Koo signed with the Los Angeles Chargers as an undrafted free agent in 2017, fulfilling a dream he had nurtured since middle school. However, his NFL debut was rocky. In the season opener against the Denver Broncos, his 44-yard game-tying field goal attempt was blocked, contributing to a 24-21 loss. He was released just 4 weeks into the season after missing consecutive game-ending kicks, plunging him into a dark period of doubt and isolation. Koo attended Georgia Southern University, where he became a 4-year standout kicker for the Eagles in the Sun Belt Conference. His college highlights include earning first-team All-Conference honors in 2016, converting 19 of 20 field goal attempts that season, and being named a finalist for the Lou Groza Award, the nation's top honor for college kickers. He also received third-team All-American recognition from Phil Steele that year. These achievements positioned him as a promising undrafted free agent prospect.